right, let's go to our immigration questions. You got a question, I got an answer. Jonathan eating his M&Ms. Hawa in San Diego.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. My name is Hawa. I live in San Diego. I'm a U.S. citizen. Can I apply for my brother?
Of course you can, but it's going to be a long time, maybe 12, 14, 15 years.
He lives in Afghanistan.
It's still going to be 12, 14, 15 years, unfortunately. It's just a long time, but yeah, apply for him. It's better than nothing. The hope is that he's not going to wait 15 years, that Biden's going to change the law and make it faster. That would be the hope. Do you understand what I'm saying to you, Hawa?
Can I apply for my brother's?
I did answer that already, and I said the answer is yes, you can. You can file an I-130 visa petition. Maybe I was talking too fast, I'll slow down. But it will take a long time. But the answer is yes. But over a decade of waiting. Hopefully, Biden changes the immigration laws and makes it faster. I hope. Did you understand me?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's go to Mohammed in Chicago.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, Mohammed. How are you?
Good. I have 4 questions.
4?
My first question is, what do you think about the USCIS field office in Chicago?
What do I feel about it?
How do you rate
I have
it?
no feeling about the USCIS office in Chicago.
How do you rate it?
How do I rate it?
Yeah.
I don't have a feeling one way or the other.
And second question is, what do you think? Can you tell me something about what is a reentry permit for a green card holder?
A reentry permit is if you're going to leave, if you have a permanent residence of the United States and you want to leave the U.S. and stay out for longer than 6 months, even a year, even 2 years, even 3 years, you can apply for a reentry permit, explain to the government that you want to take an extended period of time outside of the United States, but that extended period of time has a definite end to it, and it is your present intention to return within 1, 2, 3 years, whatever it may be, to reinstate your lawful residence. And they would allow you to take this reentry permit, leave the U.S., stay out for up to 3 years, and then return as a lawful permanent resident. It has to be pre-approved before you leave the United States. It has to be done while you're physically in the United States. You can actually leave, but it has to be filed while you're in the United States. You can leave while it's processing. But you need to stay here at least a few weeks to take a fingerprint and then leave. The one downside is it's great because you can leave the country and not lose your green card and stay out. The downside is that it resets the clock for citizenship back to day one when you re-enter.
Okay, and it is valid for how many years, the reentry permit?
3 years, generally.
3 years.
Generally, yeah.
Okay, and what about if after taking the long trip, what if somebody wants to apply for citizenship, then what happens?
Well, you have to comply with 3 rules to become a citizen. The 3 rules are 30 out of the last 60 months you're physically in the United States, no trip more than 6 months out of the U.S., and physically being in the state where you filed for 90 days.
But doesn't that long entry for 3 years absence break the continuous
That's
residence?
exactly what I said. It resets the clock back to day one for citizenship.
Okay. Thank you, Brad. You've been helpful.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.